Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing a Leap card or a valid ticket. This saves time and gives the correct fares. Tap in at the yellow reader on the platform before the train arrives. Once done, choose the carriage near your exit if you know the stop. This reduces walking time at busy stations. Make sure to top up enough credit for your planned journey and to know whether you'll travel during peak pricing, because that affects the fare you'll be charged. You board after letting passengers exit. Stand behind the yellow line until doors open to keep things orderly. Once aboard, note the route map and next stop displays so you can time your disembark. This avoids last-minute rushing. If you need assistance, ask the conductor or use intercoms. Staff inspect tickets and help with connections. Make sure to store luggage safely and keep aisles clear so others can move. This keeps your trip smooth and respectful to fellow passengers. You finish by tapping out at the yellow reader on the platform as you leave. This calculates your fare correctly. Once done, follow signs to bus or LUA's connections and allow at least 8 to 12 minutes for transfers during busy times. If your Leap card fails to tap or shows low balance, go to a station office or ticket machine immediately to resolve it. Unresolved taps can lead to penalty fares, so act promptly to fix any card or transaction issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.